I'm in Scotland at the start of the West Highland Way. Got 100 miles to walk over the next 5 or 6 days in wintry conditions, and guess who's joining me?
We've always fancied doing this hike in winter, and being in the Scottish Highlands this time of year has the potential to be pretty extreme, but also hopefully pretty magical. The route starts in Milngavie, and it's actually quite easy going at the beginning, passing some really cool places, including this little fairy house. I think the haggis live in there, and heads along towards Loch Lomond. Around 7 miles in, we stop for a little coffee at this cafe.
So in my bag, I've got all the camping gear, and as Dad's getting a bit older, he's just carrying the pillows. How's it feeling, mate?
Only kidding, we have packed for the worst conditions possible. And after about 10 miles, we got a first glance of the snow.
Tip of the day, make sure everything inside your backpack is waterproofed. And you can do that by either putting a waterproof cover on the outside or dry bags inside your pack. And if you know the weather's going to be extra bad, you can actually do both, dry bags and a waterproof cover. And if the weather gets really, really bad, then go to a B&B and stay in there.
Speaking of B&Bs, with a big storm currently hitting the UK, we didn't take any chances tonight and decided to stay in some accommodation, but it is a twin room, so hopefully Dad doesn't snore. 3 seconds later. We've got a big day tomorrow, so we'll see you in the morning.